A Nigerian TikToker was found dead in Kenya, and her employer is at the center of the controversy. But what really happened? Hi everyone, welcome to Tech News on Techpression, where I bring you the latest tech updates. I am Datom George. Let's go. Starlink's expansion in South Africa just hit another wall. Is Elon Musk being blocked, or is it just business as usual? Starlink's entry into Lesotho is facing resistance as South African rights group Section 2 demands the company allocates 30% ownership to Lesotho citizens before getting a license. This echoes Starlink's struggles in South Africa, where Elon Musk claims he was denied a license because of his race and skin color, calling the country's black economic empowerment rules openly racist. Officials deny the claim, saying all foreign firms must comply with local laws. While Starlink is live in Eswatini, Botswana, and Zimbabwe, its fate in Lesotho and South Africa remains in limbo. Crypto just lit up the sky, literally. Gemini pulled off a world record with Bitcoin's logo. Crypto exchange Gemini just set a Guinness World Record for the largest ever cryptocurrency symbol created with drones. The company launched 1,000 drones over Austin, Texas, forming the Bitcoin B logo, a part of its US strategic Bitcoin reserve celebration. The show featured a rocket launch, a moon landing, and the message, "Go where dollars won't." Also, Gemini just scored another win as the SEC has dropped its investigations into the company without any charges. Co-founder Cameron Winklevoss called it a victory in the war on crypto. Meta and Google are fighting again, and this time it's over children's data. Who really cares about these children? A new child safety law is forcing app stores to verify minors' age and get parental consent before they download anything, and tech giants have split about it. Meta, along with X and Snap, supports the move, saying it gives parents more control, but Google isn't having it. They are arguing that sharing children's age data with developers could create privacy risks. Google wants only developers with risky content to get age assurances, while Meta insists app stores should handle verification to avoid over-collecting data. With both sides standing firm, this battle over digital child safety is just getting started. Russia just found a new way to dodge sanctions, and it involves Bitcoin. Russia is now using cryptocurrency to bypass Western sanctions in its oil trade with China and India. A Reuters report reveals that some Russian oil firms are accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins like USDT to convert payments made in yuan and rupees to rubles. The workaround, intermediaries convert funds into crypto before routing them back to Russia. While still a small slice of Russia's $192 billion oil market, crypto's role is growing as a faster and more discreet transaction tool. Meanwhile, Portugal is cutting Russian energy imports, reducing its LNG reliance to just 4.4% by sourcing more from Nigeria and the US. A Nigerian TikToker was found dead in Kenya, and her employer might have some explaining to do. The Nigerians in Diaspora Commission is demanding answers after the mysterious death of Ladi Olabumi, a Nigerian TikToker and content moderator. Olabumi, who worked for Teleperformance in Kenya, reportedly went missing from work before her decomposing body was found 3 days later. Reports claim her employer restricted her from traveling to Nigeria despite her repeated requests, raising concerns on labor rights for Nigerians abroad. Teleperformance denies the claim, stating work authorization issues, but Kenyan tech professionals have held a vigil in her honor. Now, these are some challenging stories, so let's hear your thoughts in the comments. That's it for today on Tech News on Techpression. Don't forget that you can visit www.techpression.com to read the full stories and more. I am Datom George, stay innovative, and I'll see you same time Monday next week. Bye-bye.